Hi guys, welcome to Crypto Lighting. It's your boy Paul. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button and turn on your notification button. It's quite been some days now. I'm trying to watch how the market is moving, and we are seeing what happened 4 days ago concerning BTC, where BTC dropped from 20k to 18k. And even to my last video that I made, I talk about it also that this is a very critical area for BTC, which is around 20k. That if we break it, we are coming back to 18,500, which we break more than 18,500. We see BTC at the rate of 17,800 before it has its own bounce back over here. And looking at it from the top now, we can see BTC has dropped 74% down, and it's somehow crazy. And even if you see some altcoin also, you can see that they have dropped drastically even more than BTC. And these are where the fear is now. I even said we check about the fear and greedy index. You can see that everybody is still panicking about where the market is going, what is the direction of the market, where can we see the market in the next couple of days. And to me, to see the market where it's going, that will be determined by this week, because what the reaction of the market, anything that bring out this week, that's what we are going to see. Maybe we are still going to see more downtrend on BTC to 12k, because if BTC cannot hold this angle now, that means we are going back to the previous autumn high, which is the previous autumn high. The rally is around 15,500, and to me, although many people are calling about 12,500, 12,000, something like that. And if you look at the previous autumn high in 2018 concerning BTC, you can see the previous autumn high was 20k, and BTC dropped down to 4,500, even 3,500 from 20,000 plus. And it's somehow crazy, and people are still panicking about it. But we can't compare the level of adoption of that time with the level of adoption of BTC now, because a lot of liquidity is still in the crypto space. And at that time, we just have only 950 million liquidity in the market. But as of today, we are seeing a lot of billions of dollars in the market, because BTC rally in 2021 has made many institutions open many investor eyes that this is the way forward in life, because there's nothing that pass BTC in terms of keeping of assets. And all these billionaires now, this is what they are praying for, that BTC should come down. And we have been seeing the major crashes in the market now. And for me and you, that we are still coming up, just that we just need to have patience. This is a long time play game now. And I want to talk about, even yesterday when I was doing some research concerning some token that small cap that I see that they have dropped drastically and they have a good potential on DeFi Lemma. And I tried to discover this token on Solana network, and that was, which is Solana. The funniest part about this is, when I was doing my research that yesterday, I was looking at some DeFi token, read about them, what they are doing. Well, are they about lending or cross-chain, or so many things, because all these DeFi token has what they are doing also. And I tried to discover this token, and that yesterday when I discovered this token, I was like, okay, I read about it, I go to their Twitter page and I see what is going on their Twitter page also. And when I saw what is going on their Twitter page, I don't even know that a lot of things is going on with Solana, until when I discovered it on their Twitter page yesterday, that I was seeing a lot of speculation concerning Solana. That Solana, because it's the major DeFi token on Solana network, as at now, is the major DeFi token on Solana network. And As at now, it's having a lot, 267 million total value locked on Solana network. We have a lot of them here also, which I'm still trying to dig in concerning them to know maybe they have a potential. And if you see this token, this token is now trading around 0.6 as at now, that's 6 cents. And the autumn high of this token was around 16.5 and it has dropped 96%. That is how altcoin is at times. When BTC dropped, this dropped 96% since 2021, and it's somehow crazy. And when I check about what is going on between, what is the speculation about what people are talking about, then that there's some waves that have 100 million of 100 million worth of this token investment in this platform, in this DeFi platform, and at the end of the day, they use this to buy Solana and they lock it up, and now they are scared of selling the token, and people have been talking a lot because if this waves only one person sell this token, it's going to make Solana to liquidate. And that's the reason why many people have been scared about Solana, and we have been seeing the narrative concerning about Solana. And the liquidation price is $23 as at what I discovered yesterday. And now we are still Solana at the rate of 37 as at now, this is a one-day chart concerning Solana. Even so, if you check Solana also chart, Solana chart also, you can see that Solana also have dropped drastically since its autumn high. You can see how crazy it is for Solana also, and you can, especially all these major altcoins, they have dropped drastically from their former autumn high. And I think if we can see the rally back concerning Solana, that is when you can say that okay, have the more confidence on Solana also. I'm not saying that you should sell your Solana concerning this narrative, because there's a proposal concerning it also, that what should they do to control the waves that has a larger amount of money into the ecosystem, and which I think that is a lot of people are talking against it, and many people voted positively, but many people also are talking against it, that Solana is a decentralized platform. Why are they controlling people money? Likewise, what happened to Satios also, that Satios didn't allow people to withdraw their funds, their tokens, so that they won't get liquidated. And be careful, guys, if you're a future trader and you're trying to short as at this point, be very careful, because there's something that happened to Satios. That was the day before yesterday. I saw a big candle that they used to flush people out, people that are shorting their token, because when you see the narrative of Luna that happened the last time everybody started shorting Luna, you understand, to make millions of dollars. And at the end of the day, this is what people are seeing on Satios also, and they are trying to short Satios, and they flushed them out yesterday, which is very crazy. A lot of people get liquidated. And likewise, you need to be very careful now concerning this. That's just what I'm going to say concerning this token. And at the end of the day, Vision also announced its upgrade to Proof of Authority 2.0. It's live on a private testnet. And Vision also is a very good token that I see has a good potential. Recently, they have a $100 million partnership with UFC, which made Vision to pump some weeks back, and now it's back to its bottom. Guys, the only thing I'm just going to talk about is you do your own research in any protocol you're trying to invest your money on, so that you won't lose money. And even Ethereum also, I'm still looking about Ethereum anyway, to know where to come in back to Ethereum, because Ethereum now, everything is, a lot of people are adopting Ethereum crazily, and many people that miss up on Ethereum at the rate of $600, $700 are praying for Ethereum to come back to that level also, so that they can adopt more. And even someone like me also, I'm still waiting for the entry that I entered it 2 years back, which is $600, $500 rate, which the crypto market is not looking nice now. You can see what is going on now. And BTC, if BTC come down to 15,000, definitely all these tokens like Solana, like Ethereum, they are coming back to their bottom, and that is the great opportunity for everyone to accumulate more if you believe in the process. I'm not a financial advice. I'm just a YouTuber that see a good potential, talk about what is going on in the crypto space to enlighten everyone. That's just the one thing about me. And you should do your own research very well in anything that you are investing your money on. That's just what I'm going to tell you. And this is an opportunity for everyone that are just coming into crypto space. That this is a season for you to do more research, do more research on what is happening in the ecosystem so that you won't fall as a victim. Also, even the global market also is still around $942 billion, which is still quite looking good. And many people are talking about stock also because stock have not reached its bottom, which is true. I can agree with that. So that even NASDAQ, if NASDAQ come down more, definitely BTC is coming down more because the NASDAQ and BTC chart are trying to look similar, and it's crazy, which is not supposed to be. And the more the NASDAQ come down, the more BTC come down also, and it's not quite looking good now. But you just need to play safe. If you want to invest your money, don't go in with everything now. Just do DCA in every dip concerning it and look at the long time, because the long time game is the best to me in my own scenario. But if you look at the short term game, or you try to leverage your money, you will lose it all. That's just the advice I'm going to give you. Don't leverage your money, especially if you are not a trader yet and you are just coming to the crypto space. You want to make a quick money, you can lose it all within a seconds also. Just be very, very careful and study more concerning charts, study more about the narrative, what is going on in the market also. That's how you can develop yourself. This is just a little tip that I want to bring to you guys, so that everyone that is talking about Solana, panicking about Solana, I know Solana is a very good project because we call Solana at that time as a Ethereum killer because they have a fast transaction process and their gas fee is very cheap than Ethereum then. But a lot of narrative of new token are coming into the ecosystem after Solana also, that we see that they have a good potential, like Ethereum also, like Phantom, like Near, and so many on. And you can see that most of all these tokens also are fighting up to come up and make people to know them more. And which I think that the next bull run for people that build their portfolio now is going to be a good one and a laugh season for everyone, because even everybody has lost a lot of money. I can even quite explain myself even on Phantom because I'm a very fan of Phantom from day one when I discovered it. But I discovered it around that was $1 plus, and I tried to do DCA on it. Even that I take profit out of my Ethereum position around 4,000 plus, which I use to do DCA on Phantom because I love Phantom ecosystem and I see what is going on the ecosystem, that they can do like a Solana, even more than Solana. And now you can see where Phantom is. Even my position on Phantom was $2.5 on Phantom, because every time the Phantom has a correction, I always do DCA, buy some, add to my position, which is from $1.50, $2.50, even $2.70 also. But at the end of the day, I calculate everything, it was around 2.50 cents. And now you can see where Phantom is now. Even not only even Phantom, even on Phantom ecosystem, there are many 5 projects that I invested my money, thousands on it, that when I see what is going on Phantom ecosystem, that what they are doing is very big, and they have not stopped because I still believe in it, and they are still going to come back also, because in as much they can survive this crash, definitely they will be survive to come back to their all-time high very soon if the market come to normal way, and if BTC get its own bottom, because everybody is still expecting the BTC bottom, and once BTC get to the bottom, you can see all these major altcoins, even most of them, the way BTC even crashed to 17,000. They didn't move anymore. Most of all this altcoin, like Phantom, it didn't move more than 20 cents anymore. It just stayed in 20 cents. That means it's telling us that it's already get to his bottom, in my own opinion. And this is the opportunity to stock on, and so that in your position that you buy at high, you can reduce that position also. That is just the narrative and how it works in crypto space, because you are just looking, not putting another money to buy or to take the advantage of this deal. Definitely you can miss out. That's just my own scenario and my own opinion. But guys, this is just a little tip that I want to talk about today. Smash the like button, share the link to your friends and family. I'll see you guys next time. One love, guys.